A survey is the first step in leveling a bowling green. A survey will allow a club to determine how unlevel their green is, where the problem areas are, the best method for leveling their green, and what the most cost-effective solution will be. A survey will even allow the club to level their own greens using my new app. I use a GPS survey machine to generate a contour map of the green. On the map, brown areas are high, blue areas are low. North is towards the top of the page. The legend shows that the contour lines here are 3 mm apart. The highest point of this green is at the top of the map, and the lowest point is in the corner. The major thing I'm looking for are areas where the contour lines are closer together, which indicates areas of higher slope. The thing you really don't want is ditches which slope away. Ditch shrinks are generally a little bit slower and bumpier than the rest of the green. Any slope away will cause bowls to hold out. The results are displayed in a report, along with the historical green data. The contour map is also displayed on my app, www.turfmap.com. To view the results, just walk into the middle of your green and open the app through your phone's browser. A contour map will then be shown with a cross in the middle of the screen. The cross shows you where you're standing on the green. The results will be available online for 1 year from the date of the survey. As you walk around the green, the cross will move. This allows the greenkeeper to find their high and low areas. They can then level the green themselves by top dressing low areas and scarifying or coring high areas. Over time, the green will slowly get better rather than getting worse. I can also mark out the green as part of the survey. There's 2 options for marking the green. The first option is to write the levels every 3 meters. This makes it easy to diagnose green level issues. The second option is to mark the high and low areas. This will allow the club's greenkeeper to do their own leveling. For more information, please don't hesitate to contact me.